What's up, everybody? This is Max from Trades and Gains. I'm back with another market recap, and the stock market just face planted harder than me trying to skateboard in college, even though I can actually skateboard. But let's be honest, I broke my hand like a couple weeks ago skateboarding. Well, not a couple weeks ago, a couple years ago. Anyways, Trump tariffs tanked the market. Investors are panicking, stocks are tanking, and your avocado toast might cost double. Let's break down what's happening, why it matters, and what it means for your wallet. Stick around because this one's got plot twists worthy of a Netflix series like The Tinder Swindler. So what's got Wall Street clutching its pearls today? President Trump just announced new tariffs, 25% on goods from Mexico and Canada, and 10% on goods from China. These tariffs kick in tomorrow. Yeah, no chill. The markets reacted fast in this too. The Nasdaq composite saw a loss of around 1.2% today. The S&P 500 had a nice little dip of about 0.6%, and the Dow Jones Industrial was down about 0.28% in today's action. Now, why the panic? Investors fear a trade war round two. With supply chains tangled worse than my headphones in 2009, tech stocks like Apple and Nvidia took major hits because they rely on parts from these countries. And it's not just tech. Consumer discretionary stocks got wrecked too. Automakers like Ford and GM, down. Retail giants, slipping. It's like watching the dominoes fall in slow motion. Now, let's talk about the sectors feeling the burn. First things first, we have the auto industry. Companies like GM, Ford, and Toyota are sliding fast. 25% tariffs means higher costs for cars and parts, especially imports from Mexico and Canada. Expect car prices to climb. Even Tesla took a hit despite not manufacturing in these countries because they still rely on parts for them. Housing market. Stocks like Toll Brothers, Lennar, and D.R. Horton are down. Tariffs drive up the cost of materials like lumber and steel, making homes more expensive to build. And the third is retail. Brands like Yeti, 40% of its products are from China, by the way, Skechers, and Warby Parker are all sweating like they're in a sauna, sitting around looking at each other. And higher import costs equals higher prices at the mall. So yes, even your trendy water bottle that you make TikToks with isn't safe. Groceries, finally. Get ready to pay more for avocados, tomatoes, beer, and even whiskey, brother, because you guessed it, they are imported from Mexico and Canada. Woo! So, great. But here's where it gets spicier. Canada is clapping back with a 25% tariffs on $107 billion worth of U.S. goods, and Mexico isn't far behind, planning similar moves. Translation, this could spiral into a full-blown global trade war, which is on pause, by the way, based on recent developments. Again, this is just the market recap. Think of it like economic dodgeball, but no one's dodging and everyone's just getting hit. But wait, here's a plot twist. After a call with Mexico's President Claudia, I don't know how to pronounce that last name, Trump paused tariffs on Mexico for a month. Mexico agreed to send 10,000 troops to the U.S. border to help with immigration issues. Crisis averted? Maybe. But while the stock market's throwing a tantrum, investors are running to safety. Gold is flexing hard, hitting an all-time high of $2,800.72 per ounce, and Bitcoin dipped after the news but rebounded above 98,000. Basically, when the economy looks shaky, people buy shiny rocks and digital coins. Guess it makes sense, right? Also, the US dollar is surging, hitting a 2-year high, but that's not always good news. A strong dollar can hurt US exports. Now, everyone's looking at the Federal Reserve. They're holding interest rates steady for now, but it might step in if things get worse. Goldman Sachs predicts a 5% drop in the US stock market this year if tariffs stick around. Oh, and global markets are tanking too. Japan, South Korea, Europe. Everybody is feeling the burn, baby. And here's the kicker. Trump hinted that European tariffs are definitely happening. So yeah, buckle up because this roller coaster is not slowing down anytime soon, buddy. Bottom line here, stocks are down, prices are going up, and we might be headed into a trade war sequel that nobody asked for. You know, it's kind of like one of those movies that you're like, there doesn't need to be a sequel to this. And then they go, hey, we're going to make a sequel. That's what this trade war is about to be. Anyways, that's all we have for today, my people. Subscribe for more market chaos updates and drop a comment. Are these tariffs here to stay? Will they get worse? And don't forget to like and hit that bell notification so you never miss a Trades and Gains update. I'll see you for episode number 100 tomorrow. which I have to figure out what we're doing because I want to do something special for you all. I love you. Have a great night. Mwah.